Hello, how are you today? So you finally received that letter from the Internal Revenue Service. And now you're saying to yourself, now what do I do? Well, the IRS issues a lot of letters to a lot of people. You remember there's about 130 million tax returns issued every year. Some high, a little bit higher, a little bit lower. But you have to understand the first thing you got to do is don't panic. The most usual type of letter that people are going to get is what's called a CP 2000. And what the CP stands for is basically computer paragraph. It's just something in the weeds that very few people really need to know. But it's good to know. It's normally a request for additional information because they have a program called the Income Reporting Program where all of the documents that are prepared for you, such as your W-2, your 1099 miscellaneous, 1098Es from the colleges and universities about interest income, your 1099Rs from retirement plans, they all go into the big IRS bucket. And what the IRS does is it merges that information. And if it doesn't see that information on your tax return, they're going to inquire as to why you have not put that on your tax return if they have that information. There are some other letters that will come if you don't answer them. But let me give you some really good advice. Answer the letter. If you don't know what to do, have your accountant, your CPA, or your EA help you with drafting the letter. Because it's very important that you respond to them, because they're not going to go away. They will keep sending you letters. You'll end up getting a CP 503, 504, 509. And then if you really don't listen to them, you're going to get CP 1158, which is a notice of intent to levy. You don't want that. That's a bad thing. Because in 30 days, guess what they're going to do? They're going to go ahead and attach your salary, your property. So what we need to do is we need to get you compliant. We need to respond. So please, the first thing you need to do is don't panic, be calm, pick up the phone or send an email to your CPA or to your enrolled agent and ask them for help. I'm Brian J., your everyday CPA. And instead of billing you for my time today, I'd like you to click the subscribe button and to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, and if I do, I'll be able to get back and assist you with anything you might need. Thank you so much.